David the Great, Maudo Watoya, Bimas, and Salon Cool J. They don't try for get a program na the US and also the UK. We na a tour for Luna go tour. But you know say as now una they inside music, people they expect much from una. We get song the way they inside una album. We don't hit song they like Teacher Leplem and also the other one you know that's not me. Una low listen almost small to the song number. And this other one. Well, that's good. Una don't do great for we. But we know until una go perform, people they begin to cry una down. Not also, una back not go like that. Not also. Well now, we get some song the way we want to una go perform for the people na England and America. We na English. We want for una do in English. Understand? So Mr. Devo, you get one song we self be done they prepare winner in English. So I go and lay the title na then wire then go sabi with today. Lay the one for we in English for the people.
Okay. You know, I'm the composer of that song.
Okay.
And I will like the fact to mime that song for my fans. Because I know they are waiting for us at UK and United States of America.
I thought it.
The song they go like this. Those wire, they will know us today. I swear to my mother which gave back to us. Those wire.
I saw to my mama who born me.
No, now in English. In English. So now the composer, I know I can focus sing for the queen. Those wire. Those wire they will know us today. I swear to my mother which gave birth to us. Those wire.
Those wire they will know us today. Mr. Devo the Great, thank you very much. I hope say you not gonna make we disgrace. I like that is song day. Well now we come over to Maudo Watoya. And Maudo Watoya once Sierra Leone just do a song where people they expect say yourself go able to translate in English for we because Bokuma don't try, they're not able. But I believe say you go able for do and for we. Where the song then call yeah go do. So what they do for we that song in English right now?
That one will feature and carry.
That's what they say you could do.
Yes.
If you don't do the catch. Catch the corner. Yeah. Okay, the song can go like this. You know supposed to start after the crash to the catch it through. Yeah. The way don't I begin now. Will you be enough? Will you be enough bar? Will you be enough? Oh, will you be enough bar? Will you be enough? Will you be enough bar? Ghana project, I will sign. Gary project, I will sign. Uncle project, I will sign. Oh, project, I will sign. Gary project. Here we do